Biden opens U.S. doors to more than 100,000 refugees. Late Thursday night, President Biden signed an executive order to rebuild and enhance U.S. refugee programs. It increases refugee admissions in the United States and rescinds the refugee ban. The order calls for an expansion of the U.S. refugee program, which had been gutted by former President Trump. In 2020, there were just 15,000 spots available for refugees. Biden has increased that cap to 125,000 for fiscal year 2022, which begins in October. The U.S. refugee program was created in 1980 with the goal of offering protection to people abroad who faced persecution. That year, the United States resettled more than 200,000 people. In fiscal year 2020, that number dropped to less than 12,000. The executive order will prioritize the resettlement of women, children, and others facing persecution for their gender or sexual orientation. It also takes into account migration fueled by climate change. The president said, "It's going to take time to rebuild what has been so badly damaged, but that's precisely what we're going to do." Learn more at boundless.com and subscribe to Boundless on YouTube for the latest in immigration news.